Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I try to make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this is you, please subscribe and hit the like button. For today's painting, I'll be painting Wisteria in watercolor painting. This is a free drawing and my beautiful materials here. Colors: cobalt, turquoise, ultramarine deep, lavender, sap green, violet. Brushes: Davinci round mop brush 5, Davinci cosmotop mix B5, Escoda Versátil thin brush, big wash brush. Sketch: I'm going to use 2H pencil. You do not necessarily draw in detail. Just draw big composition. And first step is water applied to entire paper with big wash brush. I'm taking a little bit of cobalt turquoise, adding into wet paper. And I'm mixing ultramarine deep and lavender colors, and then putting into background colors. Also lavender color add into background. Soaking the paper back and forth can create natural painting by spreading and blending colors. And also clean water is poured to create a more natural and a soft feeling. And I'm taking sap green and ultramarine deep for leaf of the wisteria part. Use the splatter technique with lavender mix ultramarine deep. And then taking some lavender colors, paint on the flowers first. This is first layer for flowers. And then mixture lavender and ultramarine deep. Paint here and there on the flowers. Okay, we need to wait for the paper dry. So this paper is almost dried. So I'm going to try second layer. Taking a little bit of sap green with Escoda thin and very long brushes. I'm gonna draw stems. And I'm changing the brushes. I'm taking a little bit of ultramarine deep mix violet and adding on the flowers. This is second layer. It's not easy to paint wisteria because small flowers gather together to make a bunch of flowers, right? Taking more thicker and strong bluish violet into flowers again. Next, I'm going to paint leaves with sap green. This is wisteria leaves. A mixture sap green and ultramarine deep and adding on the leaves. It makes contrast, right? And this is a final touch-up. I'm doing draw stems and flowers. And I'm going to use finer splatter technique with blue and lavender colors. And then I want to clean up the flowers, clean up the water sparkling part with a small brush. So I want to make the part of the dots a little wider. Okay, this painting is finished. I hope I will see you next time. Bye.